Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. Today, we just left the grocery store. I just left them a Yelp review. Had to Yelp them because they had great service. I gotta be honest. I like to leave good Yelp reviews because it helps people who go above and beyond do better in the business, because a lot of people only leave poor Yelp reviews. So when someone does super well, I want them to get rewarded for it. So I just left a Yelp review for the Albertsons that is right next to my gym. This is where it's not COVID, I swear. It can't be. COVID doesn't exist anymore. Anyways, all right. I just left them a Yelp review because, well, I left a specific lady, her name was Ashley, a Yelp review. Because when I was checking out, she came up to me and said, let me do your produce for you. You know, when you're doing the self-checkout thing, you kind of have to, if you don't know all the numbers for the produce and stuff, then you have to like search it up. It takes a little bit longer. And I was like, I mean, I always do it myself, but I was like, yeah, sure. If you want to do it real quick, like, thank you for helping me out. So after she finishes doing all my produce, she looks, and the price for my groceries was $114. And she says, wow, that's so expensive. You don't look like you have that much stuff. And I was like, yeah, I know, but like, it's organic and all that stuff. She's like, hold on. And she pulls out this coupon book. Like, not a coupon book, but like a coupon newspaper or whatever. And there's all these coupons in there. And she starts going through the items that I have, and she starts typing in these coupons. Brings my price down to $90. It was like $89.50 or something like that. Saves me, what is that? Almost $25, because I don't have a coupon code book, or I don't pay attention to that kind of stuff, but she does, and she saved me freaking $25 almost. I was like, oh my god, thank you. Like, that is amazing. That, because like, okay, there was Starbucks coffee that was like, I had 3 bags of Starbucks coffee, and apparently it was on sale for $4.99, and I didn't have the coupon, because I don't do the coupon stuff, but maybe I should. But anyways, because I don't have the coupon, and she saved me just $15 in just Starbucks coffee, you know? So I'm like, geez, you, like, people that go above and beyond need to be rewarded. Now, here's how this relates to my YouTube channel as a gig driver and all that stuff, yada yada. By the way, we are in the car wash line. I'm about to drive through the car wash. Do this like once every few weeks or so. I like to keep my car clean, gotta vacuum it and all that stuff. I don't like to have messy things. Anyways, so how this relates to being a gig driver is, the problem with Doordash and stuff is you don't get rewarded at all, really. Like, do you? Can you? You can possibly get like a post tip, but generally, especially nowadays, it's almost eliminated, because most times you don't even see the customer, so they don't feel obligated to give you a cash tip. I can't even remember the last time I've received a cash tip. I always give people cash tips though when I do Doordash, because I think, yeah, like, you don't have to claim the taxes on it, blah blah blah, you know. Anyways, but you can't be rewarded for doing really well. So this literally, this whole job, we were talking about this in yesterday's video, but the whole job of being a gig driver eliminates any creative thinking that you could possibly have, unless you're being creative and doing other businesses at the same time, like, excuse me, like I am running my YouTube channel off of gig driving, and at the same time I'm also getting other things done and going to the post office and doing all these other things, getting creative like that. But just if you're only doing gig driving, you can't get creative, you can't get rewarded for doing better. Like, sure, you could have good ratings and stuff, but does that really, like, there's no, like, this is why I always say there's no light at the end of the tunnel. You're not like, wow, I'm really getting there, I'm almost there, we're about to be a top gig driver. No, there's nothing at the end of the tunnel. It's literally just like a broken down car. Anyways, I'll be right back. I gotta talk to these guys to pay for my car wash. All right, and we're back. Now we are in line. Gonna get the car wash done, got the tire shine. $10, totally worth it, because I can use their awesome vacuums after. Anyways, so I kind of wanted to talk about focusing on things that have a big reward at the end of the tunnel. A lot of people spend so much of their time working for someone else, or working for someone who just doesn't appreciate them, or complaining about their job, but continuously working for that same job every single day. You know, like, if you're not happy with what you're doing, you should move on to something else, especially if that job isn't, am I blurry? There we go. If that job isn't going to be something that you see yourself doing long term, and if there's no big reward at the end of the tunnel. I always think, like, what's the point of gambling, or not gambling, but maybe working, if there's no possible, like, giant reward, you know? That's why I'm so into, like, having my businesses and all that stuff, because ultimately my work ethic is what results in either a success or failure at the end of the day. I am in control of this, and a lot of people don't spend time doing things that actually have a good reward at the end of the tunnel. So, I don't know. I think everyone should take a look at what they're doing for money, and if there's no giant reward at the end of it, maybe you should just start working towards something that has a big reward at the end of the tunnel, you know? If you can't see the light, why are you running towards it if it's not there, you know? Just be honest with yourself. Like, every once in a while, I'll have my moments, especially when I get out of the shower and I just look at myself and I'll talk to myself, as crazy as that sounds, and I'll say, like, I'll just be as brutally honest with myself as I possibly can, and really take into consideration things that I'm doing with my life and all that, blah, blah, blah. Anyways, we're about to go in the car wash. It's about to be too loud to talk, so be right back. Whee! It's like a roller coaster. My car is about to be so clean, and I'm so dark. Alright, now we have successfully cleaned our car, but we gotta go home and still gotta wipe everything down. Unfortunately, where I live is very dusty, so it gets very dusty inside of my car, and the vacuum doesn't quite get all of it, so we gotta wipe down everything. But anyways, we're kind of talking about how I just think everyone should be aiming, at least have, worst case scenario, 20% of your effort that you are putting into making money should be going to something that has a big reward at the end of the tunnel, you know? Like, when you're done, I think retirement plans and everything are bullshit nowadays. Like, if you don't have something that's long-term that you're working towards, like, personally for me, my footwear company is kind of like my retirement plan, because I know in 10 years, for one, I'm definitely not going to be talking about gig work on YouTube. I'm almost certain that there's a few more years maximum that I have left on this, you know? I'm probably going to pivot towards something that I'm more interested in, like just straight business stuff, or just reporting on up and coming, like, or not, like, just updated times and stuff, you know? But it is good money for me now, and it is convenient, and I enjoy doing it. I personally really enjoy trying to at least inspire people who are just getting into the gig work, you know? Because I've been doing gig work. Maybe it's not just delivery driving, but I've been literally like a pro athlete doing gigs and stuff for over a decade now. We're going on 13 years of being a pro athlete, which there's a lot of stuff that you need to do to be successful as a pro athlete. It's a lot of the same kind of stuff as gig work and business and everything. Like, a lot of people don't market themselves and all this kind of stuff, you know? And people just want to perform, you know? It's kind of like being lazy and just doing Doordash, in my opinion. You always want to at least be, like, striving for something bigger. But that's personally what I enjoyed, like, and anytime someone says something in the comments, it's the most rewarding feeling for me, like, seeing that someone has learned something from my channel. And I just try to put out as much free information as I possibly can, because that's all I know how to do, you know? Maybe I'm wrong about some things. Who knows? Maybe I am. I talked about how I sold off a lot of my cryptocurrency the other day. All of my cryptocurrency the other day. Maybe I'm wrong. Personally, I just, that's why I say don't take everything I say with a grain of salt, because I'm just doing what's best for me, you know? Maybe it's not best for you to do that. But anyways, that's all I got for you guys today. If you guys want to make my day, comment down below something that you guys have learned from my channel. And I don't know, what maybe your favorite tip that you've ever received from me or something like that. Or if you guys have any questions, comment them down below. And of course I haven't read any emails lately. I gotta go through those emails. There's at least 6 or 7 people that have written me emails with good questions, and I gotta get to them, but I've been slacking on YouTube lately. Anyways, we'll get to that. If you guys enjoy my videos at all, please consider subscribing and also smash the like button. And if you guys want to get some shoes, go to offaccessathletics.com, use the discount code OFFACCESSTANNER for 30% off wheels. See you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Drive safe, make that money, and strive for greatness. Peace, guys.